Hello and welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for April 2022. I'm Lori from the Windows Servicing and Delivery team. This month's tips are about using speech recognition for voice typing whenever you want to, and about how to quickly minimize all the open windows on your Windows 11 desktop. But first, let's talk about this month's update. Here are a few of the issues that we addressed. It's now possible to display up to 4 toast notifications simultaneously, 3 high priority notifications and 1 normal priority notification. This new feature is for apps that send notifications for calls, reminders, or alarms using Windows notifications in the OS. We resolved an issue that might cause a Microsoft OneDrive file to lose focus, meaning you'd have to select or tap the file again to use it. This issue occurs after you rename the OneDrive file and press the Enter key. And finally, we updated search so that when you look for the word widgets, the corresponding settings page appears. You can find out more about the other issues by reading the Highlights section and the Improvements section of the March Preview Release and the April Security articles. Now on to our Windows tips. Voice typing or dictation can quickly turn your spoken words into text. Here's how to do just that. Press the Windows logo key plus H to open the speech recognition tool. With your cursor in a text field such as an internet search bar or Word document, tap or click the microphone icon in the speech recognition tool and simply start speaking. You can find helpful dictation shortcuts within the tool by selecting the question mark. To close the speech recognition tool, click or tap the X. And remember, using the Windows logo key plus H brings it all back for you again. Have you ever found yourself with way too many windows open and an urgent need to see your desktop? Here's a tip for you. To reduce clutter from your Windows 11 desktop, press the Windows logo key plus D to quickly minimize all of your open apps so you can get to your desktop. Press those keys again and just like that, everything's back. Are there Windows 11 features that you'd like to know more about? Send us feedback in the section provided in this article. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.